It's always a smart idea to set up and have a plan B when it comes to access methods to your Dappnode not able to access through Wi-Fi. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi network but cannot access my.dappnode, first make sure your computer can reach it. Open a new terminal window and type in ping my.dappnode. If the ping is responding, a restart to your computer might help here. If you're still not available to access my.dappnode, even when getting a ping response, try accessing using the Dappmanager's internal IP, 172.33.1.7. It's important that you don't try to connect via multiple methods at the same time. Only the Dappnode should be connected directly to the router. If you connect through Ethernet in the computer you're trying to access from, then Wi-Fi will most likely fail due to a conflict in your network. Same thing with VPN and Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi simply isn't doing it for you, we recommend checking our user documentation over at dappnode.com for access methods that are alternatives to Wi-Fi. Can't see your Dappnode's Wi-Fi network? Double-check that your Ethernet cable is properly plugged in on both ends and can connect to the internet as expected. If you have previously generated VPN credentials and cannot access your Dappnode, please make sure that you check our VPN deeper dive video. Also, the support channel in our Discord community is filled with an archive of people in very specific scenarios, so this can be a good source to find useful information on your issue. Don't hesitate to share your experience with the rest of the community. It might help someone else in the future.